story performance. I have been planning to attend one of Eric's session that is in the Nawaz Khan Road in Chennai for the past 6 years. And whenever I came to India, it never happened. Yeah, I wanted to attend and wanted to tell a story. I've been planning for this for the past 6 years. So good afternoon, good evening, good morning to everyone. I've just listened to the two stories. I hope my voice is not echoing. Can any one of you tell that my voice is okay? Is
Your
my
voice
voice
is
okay?
absolutely okay.
Sounds good,
Okay,
Manoj.
thank you, thank you. So my story is about a cricket match. So let me start my story. It's a conversation that changed the course of a cricket match. So it's a true story based on a true story. Let me start my story. So we won the toss. My captain won the toss, and it was a very good sunny morning. Good to bat. So we chose to bat. Captain won the toss. We chose to bat, and I took my usual place. I'm very superstitious about cricket matches, and I was supposed to bat at number 4, second down, and I took my place in the corner. I wanted my all my cricket bats, pads, everything near my chair, the usual things. I want them always on the right side, so that's my superstition. Yeah. So the opener started to bat. The match was as usual, as expected. We were dominating. The openers were dominating the bowlers. And by lunch, we didn't lose any wicket. And after lunch, when we had lunch, we were really at a good run rate as well. So after lunch, I normally take a very light lunch. So it's my batting day. So I normally take a very light lunch. And after lunch, I didn't feel right about my tummy. And that's when something bad happened. Like I wanted to go to the restroom, but I remembered last time when I went to the restroom and I went to bat, I was out for a duck. I didn't want to go to the restroom because of my superstition as usual. I want to sit in the corner place, all ready to go, all padded up. That's how I am. So just, but I couldn't control. And my hunch was saying that if I go to the toilet, the wicket will fall. That's what happened last time. So, but I couldn't control. I went to the restroom and I heard a noise, and that was the first wicket down. And I was like, oh no, this is what I was thinking not to happen, and it happened. Yeah. So after all, my superstitious belief are not wrong. So I was just hoping, okay, let me finish quickly. So I got to get ready again. If it is the second wicket down, it's my turn to bat. And before I could wash up and I come outside, I could hear another noise, and it was already my turn, and people were around. People outside are screaming, "Okay, come on, come on, come on, outside, come, get ready. It's my turn to bat." Yeah. So I came outside. Normally, I put my thigh pads first because of my superstition. I put my bat first. So all went awry. People were all putting cricket pads on me. All everything. My routine just went. It was not there, and it was all. It was it was just awry. Yeah. I went outside. The coach came and told me the ball is reverse swinging. I was like, oh, what? How come? It was just after lunch. It's not. It is normally late in the day. It's when the reverse swing starts, and I was before it could sink in. I was already in walking in the ground, and people were chanting my name, and I could hear them saying me, Sachin, 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 Sachin. And I was like, yo, yeah, yeah, Sachin. It was all millions of people's expectations on my soldiers as usual. And I was figuring out this is not my day, not my routines are not going proper. Maybe last time when this happened, I was out for a duck. And okay, let me speak to Dravid. He's one of the other best batsmen. Let me figure out what's happening. The moment I went to him, and he was like, I don't know what's happening. I have no clue about why the ball is reverse swinging so early. And can you just let me know what to do? And I was like, what? I was there. I was in my heart. I was telling, Dravid, Dravid. I wanted to talk to him to find out what I can do. He was there. He was betting. He's already betting for an hour. But suddenly he's asking me what to do. And I'm just new to the crease. And this is what is happening, all because of my routines going awry. My routines are not working, and I was just thinking that, okay, let me not get out. Let me get the first run because it's not my day. Yeah. Last time when this happened, I was out for a duck. So the first ball, I'm just watching the bowler's hand. I know the bowler Chris Gaines. I've played him before so many times. He's very good at in swing or straightening the ball. So I took a middle stump card, expecting an in swinging ball. All is wrist position stating that it's going to be an in swing, and it was an outswing. I played the ball, outswing, just lucky to be there. Just kept telling me, oh no, the first ball I missed. Last time when this happened, I didn't score much. Okay, so Dravid came running to me and he told that, okay, keep playing for the in swing because he does this. He has been doing this for a couple of overs, 2 away swingers and 1 in swing. Yeah. So I was playing my in swing. We are just defending. 4 overs, 5 overs. We couldn't make any run, and we are already 2 wickets down in the last 1 hour. And things happening for New Zealand, and we got to find a way. We are supposed to be the best batsmen in the world, and we didn't know what to do. And I'm just thinking, I'm just calming myself down. Yet to score a run, I'm not off the mark. My confidence not at the peak, and people are still chanting my name. People are expecting me to perform. People think that I can. It should be easy for me, but never it was easy for me in any match situation. Every time I go, I'm nervous, but today it has been more than nervous. It should not reverse swing as early in the match, but it's happening. And we do not have a clue. Chris Gaines and Daryl Tuffy are really bowling really well. And we got to find a way to dominate. So just when I was thinking this, calming myself down in the runner, and I got an idea that I went running up to Dravid and told him that, okay, let me see the bowler's hand, and the shiny side of the ball, I'm going to keep my bat on that hand. If the shiny side is on the right side, I'm going to hold the bat on the right hand. And the shiny side on the left side, I'm going to hold the bat on the left hand. Do not watch the bowler. All it matters is my bat on which hand. And Dravid was, okay, let us see how it will work. And suddenly, out of nowhere, there was a 4 boundary through the covers. And then he followed it up. Dravid followed it up with another boundary. And Chris Gaines the New Zealanders were thinking that what's happening suddenly? That batsmen were struggling. They were not able to put bat on ball, and now Dravid is looking suddenly confident. And me again going in the next over, I drove Daryl Tuffy for another couple of boundaries, and runs started to flow. By half an hour, even the New Zealanders found out that why is the batsman looking the non-striker, and that was the only time in my career that the batsman was looking the non-striker instead of the bowler's hand. So that conversation which I had with Dravid changed the course of the match eventually, and we were in a commanding position by the end of the day. And one time, my superstitious belief was not that bad. I am happy that things went wrong that day. My superstitious are normally the way my routines, it's very important for me that they are in an order, but I'm happy that that day it all went awry and I could come out of that situation. That's the end of my story. Thank you all.
Wonderful. Okay, Barry, I see you smiling so much. What are you smiling about? Turn on your mic.
Just that idea of the routines, and I just enjoyed it.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, it's fun.
Thank you. Thank you. This is my first story performance. So
Good for you,
looking
Manoj.
forward to
That's great.
it. Yeah.
Personal experience stories are terrific, you know, and getting us in that moment and in your head of how you approach something that's so important to you.
Yeah. Yeah. So this I was narrating it from Sachin's point of view, Sachin Tendulkar's point of view.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Barry.
Yeah.
Okay, shall we have the final story? I know you're all